All right, language explorers. So let's look at this Saturday phrasal verb. So park within. Park within. Put a vehicle in the confines of a specific place. Yeah. Park within the lines. Yeah. You have to park within the bay. You need to park within the bay. Yeah. How cool is that? Can you park within the line? You should park within 5 meters of the entrance. Yeah. How cool is that? They are always parking within the boundary. Within the boundary, the circumference. Parking within the allocated area. Can't go too far, but they have to be just the right distance. Yeah. She parked within the boundary. Yeah. You need to park within the right area. If you don't park within the boundary, then you will be too far. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah. Someone is parking within the area now. They're parking within the bay now. He is doing a good job of parking within the lines. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Do you think they will know how to park within the limitations? Because there are certain rules and limitations you have to follow when you're parking. Do you think he can park within the limitations? Park within the rules, maybe? It depends. If he knows what he's doing, if he knows the rules, if he can actually do it, maybe. He might know how to park within the lines. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use park within in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanched. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.